Hi everybody, this is Dan Sheridan. Welcome to Trading here. I'm over at Sheridan Mentoring. Today is Wednesday, May 19th. And as you look at the market right now, I'm looking specifically at SPX and kind of hovering near there, right around the 50-day moving average. So if you think it will kind of hold some support there, here's a pretty defined risk way to get long, but also you can make money if it goes down some, you can make money if it sits, you make money if it goes up, a put credit spread. So here's the example I'm looking at in SPX. And I'll even make this, I do it a little wider, but I'll go 10 wide here. All right, and here is the trade. SPX is trading right now at 40.86, almost 40.85, and I'm going to sell one June 11th, so about 23 days out, 38.80 put, and I'm going to buy one against that, 38.70 put. So it's a 10 wide put credit spread. Limited risk, you have $10 of risk. We're bringing in about $1.40 credit. So if I bring in $1.40 credit, the spread is 10 wide. My risk is $1,000 less $140 or $860. The strike I'm selling with us at 40.85, I'm selling the 38.70 put, which is about $215 out of the money. So that's what I would be looking for, around $1.40 credit. I'd probably be looking to make 10%. It's 10% on 860, which would be about 85 bucks. So for a 10% profit, if this goes down from $1.40 to 55 cents is where I would buy it in. If I buy it in for a 55-cent debit and I sold it for $1.40, I'd make the difference, right? I'd make the difference. What's that? $1.40, buy it back at $85 divided by your 860, about 10%. My maximum loss, I would do it 15%. 15% maximum loss. 15% of 860, about $130. So if this $1.40 goes up to 270, I'd lose 15% and get out. If I do this on a weekly basis, probabilities are in your favor. I'm doing this way out of the money. So if I sell it for $140 and it goes to, I have to buy it back at $270, I'd lose $130 divided by this, or 15%. So I'm looking at a put credit spread for about $1.40 credit. In the June 11 expiration, sell 138.80 put, buy 138.70 put in SPX. Have a great day. Check us out on SheridanMentoring.com. Have a wonderful day. Thanks.